my viewers, welcome back to my tutor, which is Mobax. Today they are giving us a problem which is integration using algebraic substitution, which is integral 4 divided by open bracket 5x minus 3 close bracket dx. This question, it is very simple to solve, but before I move on, I would like to beg you to subscribe or to follow this page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, share the video and like it. Solution to the problem given to us. Solution. Let us recall the question back. Integral 4 divided by open bracket 5x minus 3x close bracket dx. This question, the first step to apply to this question, we should integrate, but we cannot integrate like this since we are having a what complex number, which is what 5x minus 3x. So we have to substitute some algebraic. So that is why it's substituting algebraic, which is what, let's use u to by substituting it. Let u to be equal to 5x minus 3, because they are what, they are complex in the problem. So let us recall it again. Integral 4 divided by, what is our 5x minus 3x equal to u times dx. And also, if you look it back again, we cannot also integrate like this because we are giving a what on a two variable, which is what, u and what, x. We cannot integrate like this. So the next step to apply to this problem, we have to differentiate this, which is what, u equal to 5x minus 3x. So u equal to 5x minus 3x. Let us differentiate it from the general formula, which is what, nx raised by n minus 1. So this general formula is the very simplest formula for what, for differentiating. So du divided by what, which value is inside, which our variable is inside, the x, equal to 5x minus 3. Our n is power, but if you want to differentiate, our n is will also change to base, and it will still remain in what, in form of power minus 1. So let us look at the du all over the x now equal to what, 5 times our is what, 5x raised to what, is raised to power 1, which is what, you have power of 1 times 1 times x raised to what, 1 minus what, 1 minus 1 minus, from the differentiation table, constant equal to 0. So, and also our du and our dx now equal to what, 5 times x, 5 times 1 begin us what, 5 times x, 1 raised to power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is giving us 0, minus this is 0 have gone. So our du all over the x now equal to what, from the 0 law, we say that any value or any number raised to power 0 to be equal to what, to be equal to 1. So it comes from the indices, which is what, from the 0 law, which say that any value or any alphabet raised to power 0 to be equal to 1. So we have some problem like this here. 5 times what, x raised to power 0 to give us what, 1. So du all over the x now equal to what, 5 times 1 will be giving us what, 5. And also our du all over the x now equal to what, 5. But we are looking for what, we are looking for our dx. So don't forget, the next step to apply to this, to get our dx, we should what, we should cross multiply. If we cross multiply, 5 times dx equal to what, du. But don't forget, we are looking for what, we are looking for our dx. So I can also divide both sides by what, by dividing both sides by 5, because we are looking for our dx. So 5 dx divided by 5 equal to du divided by 5. 5 cancel 5, remain what? Dx equal to du all over 5. And our dx equal to what? Du all over 5. We got from the problem, we say that integral 4 divided by u times dx. But our dx equal to what? Du divided by 5. Integral 4 divided by u times what is our dx equal to? Du divided by 5. So we can also multiply like this. Also equal to what? Integral 4 times du. It will give us what? 4 du divided by u times 5, u5. This is very simple to solve. The next step we can apply to it, we can now factorize what? You can never also integrate like this because we are getting a what? In form of fraction. So we have to factorize the constant out, which is what? 4 and 5. So by factorizing the constant out, which is what? 4 divided by 5 times integral 1 all over u times du. So it is very simple to integrate like this, since what? If you use this constant to multiply the what? To multiply the integral by, you will be giving us this, which is what? 4 du divided by what? U divided by u5. So we can now integrate like this from the integrator table, which is what? 1, if you want to integrate 1 all over u or 1 all over any alphabet, you will be giving us what? 4 or equal to what? 4 all over 5 open bracket ln u close bracket plus c. If you want to integrate, and our u equal to what? Our u equal to, with that sum to be equal to what? Our u, which is what? 5x. U equal to 5x minus 3. So we can now substitute in, which is what? 4 divided by 5 open bracket ln u. What is our u? 5x minus 3 close bracket plus c. So this is our final answer. I can also call this our final answer.